The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 5 Milling Machine. Number 5. Little Machine Shop High Torque Mini Mill. This machine is significantly lighter than others. A smaller base and a lighter weight make it a more attractive option than many others listed here. Therefore, smaller workshops may be able to accommodate it better. Homeowners with small workspaces may find this reliable. Little Machine Shop's High Torque Mini Mill is fantastic, but it has a few shortcomings. The product description mentions things such as most torque in class. However, it is difficult to determine how much torque the machine has. The information isn't easily accessible anywhere. The product description contains small inconsistencies like this, which raises suspicions about the overall quality of the device. Also, this machine has a bad spindle lock design. This causes the parts to become deformed and practically unusable because it is much tighter than it should be. There is also a very poor level of customer service. Pros: compared to most other options, this is lighter. It is compact in design. Cons: there is a poor design for the spindle lock. The company provides inadequate customer service. The description of the product is inaccurate. Coming in number 4. Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro. The Genmitsu CNC milling machine operates according to commands that can be input through Arduino and GRBL software. Support, training, and additional tutorials to learn how to use the specific software are available online. While the milling machine is more accurate when it's connected to a computer, it can be used with a remote control so it isn't tethered to one location. This milling machine has a total working area of 150.8 inches cubed. It measures 11.8 inches along the x-axis, 7.1 inches along the y-axis, and it has a z-axis range of 1.8 inches. Use it with plastics, wood, acrylics, PVCs, PCBs, and soft metals like aluminum. Coming in number 3. Jet JTM2 115 230 volt vertical. Outfit a maintenance, repair, or machine shop with this full-size milling machine from Jet that stands more than 6 feet tall. It has an X-axis power feed installed for an accurate feed rate of material, making it easier to create duplicate cuts in multiple pieces of metal. The milling machine weighs more than 2,000 pounds, and it has a firm base that won't shift or vibrate during use. The 2-horsepower motor produces spindle speeds from 80 RPM to 2,720 RPM, and a heavy-duty spindle brake quickly brings the tool to a stop when work is finished. The work table measures 9 by 42 inches and has an X-axis travel of 23.9 inches, a Y-axis travel of 12.5 inches, and a Z-axis travel of 5 inches. The milling machine's work table also comes with 3 2.5-inch T-slots for added stability. Coming in number 2. Jet JMD15 milling drilling machine. The 1-horsepower motor on the Jet JMD15 provides enough energy to run the spindle at 12 different speed settings, from 110 to 2,580 RPM. A cast iron column and base help keep the milling machine steady and reduce vibrations while the machine is in use. Place it on a flat table or workbench. The head of the milling machine has a versatile 360-degree swivel for more precise cutting, drilling, and machining. This benchtop milling machine features large hand wheels that are easy to operate and a broad work table. The cutting capacity of the milling machine is determined by the X-axis travel of 14 inches, the Y-axis travel of 5.5 inches, and the Z-axis travel of 3.5 inches. The milling machine comes with an adjustable work lamp to illuminate the material in dim lighting conditions and a spindle guard to help protect the user from flying bits of metal, wood, and other debris. Coming in number 1. Proxin Micro Mill MF70. The Proxin Micro Milling Machine has a quiet, vibration-free operation designed for opticians, jewelers, and hobbyists for precise, clean cuts in delicate materials. This milling machine has a broad, cast-iron base that should be positioned on a flat, firm table or workbench to ensure the machine remains stable while the spindle is rotating at speeds between 50,000 and 20,000 RPM. The cutting capacity of this milling machine includes an X-axis travel of 5.3 inches, a Y-axis travel of 1.8 inches, and a Z-axis travel of 2.8 inches, for a total work area of 26.7 cubic inches. The table measures 8 inches by 3 inches and has 3 T-slots to secure material as it's cut or drilled.